Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial I will show you how you will unlock your iCloud lock. If you are a consumer of iPhone device, then definitely I assure you 100% that you will be able to unlock iCloud. If you have by mistakenly formatted of your iPhone device without of course switching off your Find My phones, now you have been suffering from of the iCloud activation lock, then definitely by this strategy you will be able to unlock. So yes, before unlocking you have to download this one's 3 tools and iTunes. So 3 tools. When you download, I have given a download link below the description box. Directly you have to access there and click, you will be able to download, and after downloading you have to install. After installing, it will recommend you to install iTunes. And after installing iTunes, so because why it's very mandatory to install iTunes, so because of this will work on the basis of your iTunes. So here for example, here see I have downloaded this ones. So now here I will come here. Now just you have to connect your data cable of your phone to PC or laptop, and after connecting you will get all the information here. Now for your confirmation, suppose I would like to have the video off on my cell phone. So this is a cloud activated lock. So when I will go for here access to any video, any data, any application of iPhone device, it will ask of course that you have to fill your see this device has bound Apple ID, of course old one, and enter your Apple ID and the password. Then when I enter, then I will be able to use my phone device, otherwise not. So here I will crack this one and I will remove the completely here. So what I will do here, just I will go for cancel. Directly I will come on a flash. In flash I will come in a firmware, and after coming here firmware I have to come on flash. If you don't have iTunes, then come on other tool to just download from here iTunes. You will be able to download, and so now I will come once again on a firmware to actually firmware. Here see I will come on a not a gel and I actually flash. Just I will come on a flash. In a flash, see if it's not coming here anyone, then just you have to go for refresh that it has suggested automatically according to your device. You have to go for this one bit and this one bit. So this beta and this beta, this is of course 64-bit. So here iPhone 61 has been given, and this is your device type has been given here. So this one and this one will be functional, only one for flash. So here total size has been given approximately 3 GB after all, my dear. So here, and the green signal has been given here that these will be functionable if you flash of that. So what I have to do here, in both one actually you have to select one, but before downloading actually you should have sufficient data of your actually internet connection, more than 5 GB. So now I will start to download here. So suppose I will start to this download. Now it has started to download here, for example, see. So it's approximately 3 GB. So definitely there should be a much sufficient data. So it will take a time to download, scarcely half an hour. So here just I will show you for your save time. You have to come after downloading, just you have to come on a easy flash. Now see here this one is started to download. When it will complete downloading, then just you have to select, and then you have to deselect this one, retain user data while the flashing. So see this one you have to deselect, because this is asking that whatever your data has been in there, in your Apple device, that you would like to remove completely, of course, definitely. So I will deselect of that and I will go for flash directly. When I will come on the flash, then it will take scarcely 5 to 20 minutes. 5 to 20 minutes approximately, and it will start automatically manually as a new Apple phones. So still you having the problem, then you have to write the comment below the description box. I will reply as soon as possible I can. So here, see, this one actually I'm downloading at the moment, so that's why I cannot proceed the whole complete actually of this in the procedure. Otherwise, if I complete, then definitely video will be lengthy. That's why actually I'm saying. But if you have any problems, then definitely I assure you I will assist you to unlock your iCloud, and I assure you 100% you will be able to if you execute and implement similar procedure that I have done here. Now, if this video has been benefited to you and assisted in any way for your acknowledgement that how to unlock your Apple phones, iPhone especially, of iCloud, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys. Have a great time.